Have you seen this car lately on the road? Well, this is the LIL9 and it's right here in Approve. We shall find out what we're gonna do with this Chinese car. My name is Queenie. I am one of the brand detailing ambassadors here at Approve. And today we're working on the LIL9, one of the top Chinese luxury SUVs. Many people ask us if XPEL PPF can be applied in Chinese cars, and the answer is absolutely yes. And now we're back on this LIL9. This vehicle has gone through washing, paint correction, polishing. We want to make sure to do all those steps before we install the XPEL PPF, just to make sure the surface of the car is clean and dust-free, and the PPF will stick on the car very good.
Driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
Hi, welcome back. So here we have the LIL9 again, ongoing process on the XPEL PPF. Since cars like these vehicles are not very common yet, they're not always included in the XPEL standard library template. But that's not a problem because we can always create a customized PPF template for this vehicle. As you can see, we've extended the template just to make sure that every corner of the car is protected with XPEL PPF, because we don't remove any badges or panels on your car.
And that wraps up the LIL9 fully protected with XPEL PPF right here at Approve Automotive. If you want the same premium finish and protection for your ride, please reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight.